With over $623 million followers on Instagram to date, it's hard to miss one of the greatest players of all time. At 39 years old, his net worth stands at $600 million. In addition to his prowess on the soccer pitch, Cristiano Ronaldo is well known for his outstanding real estate holdings. Throughout his career, the Portuguese celebrity has amassed a large collection of properties, including opulent mansions, flats, and vacation homes. We'll examine more closely at one of Ronaldo's most stunning homes in this video. This is Luxury Prima. Football player Cristiano Ronaldo is among the most well-liked and prosperous players in the world. Throughout his career, he has received multiple honors and accolades, such as 5 Ballon d'Or awards, 4 European Golden Shoes, and 4 Uefa Men's Player of the Year award. Given his extraordinary accomplishments, it is hardly surprising that he invested his riches in opulent homes, like his magnificent Manchester mansion, worth almost $7 million. So without further ado, let's examine Cristiano Ronaldo's stunning house in more detail. Let's start by discussing the architectural style. This home's perfect integration of classic and modern design features makes it a true masterpiece. Warm, natural elements like wood and stone balance the building's sharp, angular features to create an opulent, welcome atmosphere. However, the outdoor amenities are the true stars of the show here. There is plenty of space for all kinds of activities because the property is located on a sizable plot of land. The huge heated pool, encircled by a roomy patio and lush gardens, serves as the focal point. This pool area offers plenty of space for you to unwind with a nice book or swim laps while soaking up the sun. Not only that, if tennis is more your thing, there's a private court on the premises that's ideal for a fast game or a more competitive match. Additionally, there are several sitting options, including a covered patio with a warm fireplace for those chilly evenings. If you're in the mood for some outside dining or entertainment, the magic begins at the mansion's door. So let's examine what this impressive entry has to offer in more detail. The striking driveway that leads up to the front door of the home will catch your eye as you get closer. Lined with exquisitely maintained gardens, the driveway brings a touch of the natural world to the opulent facade, and as soon as you enter the home, you are welcomed with a stately lobby that is really stunning. The large, airy entrance sets the tone for the entire house with its high ceilings and tasteful decorations. The distinctive artwork on display at the entrance is one of its most striking aspects. A few of Cristiano Ronaldo's most prized artworks are shown on the entryway, which is the ideal spot to display his impressive collection. Everyone may find something to enjoy, whether it's contemporary sculptures or paintings. Not only that, but the entryway also provides access to the bedrooms, living rooms, and recreational sections of the house. It's the ideal gathering place for hosting visitors or just unwinding with loved ones. One of the common areas is the grand, exquisite living room and plenty of natural light. The living room is the ideal space for hosting visitors or just unwinding with loved ones. The expanding windows provide breathtaking views of the rural surroundings. The dining room follows, and it's just as stunning. There is a large table and beautiful chairs in the dining area, making it the ideal location for formal gatherings or dinner parties. Naturally, the space is furnished with exquisite furnishings and exquisite artwork, transforming each meal into a memorable event. Not only that, but the house also has additional common areas such as a nice family room with soft furnishings and a big screen TV, which is great for watching movies or playing the newest video games. Additionally, there is a fully functional bar with seating and top-of-the-line appliances for individuals who enjoy entertaining. Now, let's take a tour of the kitchen, the epicenter of culinary creation and the place where culinary magic is created. With top-notch appliances and finishes, the kitchen is roomy and well-equipped. From the sleek sleek countertops and contemporary cabinets to the stainless steel appliances, each element has been thoughtfully chosen to create a beautiful and useful space. The enormous island in the kitchen, which offers plenty of room for food preparation, cooking, and even informal dining, is one of its most striking features. The island is the ideal spot to get together with friends and family while meals are being made because it is flanked by cozy bar stools. Not to mention the breathtaking views. Large windows in the kitchen provide amazing views of the surrounding landscape. It's the ideal setting for entertaining guests and taking in the splendors of the outdoors at the same time. Now, let's explore Cristiano Ronaldo's extravagant entertaining spaces. This is the main area of enjoyment where you may relax, let free, and really enjoy yourself. First up is the game area, which has a vintage arcade game machine, a football table, and a pool table. It's the ideal location to have a great time competing in a pleasant manner with your friends and family. The movie theater, a sumptuous area intended for the utmost in leisure and amusement, comes next. The theater has a huge screen that will instantly take you to your favorite scenes, luxurious seats, and cutting-edge audio and visual technology. Additionally, there is a home gym that is completely furnished with everything you need for an incredible exercise for those of you who love to be active. This gym has it all, from free weights to cardio equipment, so you can remain in shape and keep healthy without ever leaving the comforts of your own home. Of course, we must not overlook the magnificent outdoor spaces. The great outdoors is abundant in luxury and beauty, from the breathtaking pool to the lush gardens. Let's start by having a swim in the opulent pool, which is the ideal place to cool off on a hot day or hang out with loved ones, encircled by lovely greenery, cozy loungers, and a built-in hot tub. The best place to unwind and have fun is the pool area. Not to mention the patio, which is ideal for alfresco eating or just taking in the breathtaking views. The patio is perfect for lounging on a relaxing afternoon or throwing an unforgettable outdoor gathering because it has cozy seats, a built-in barbecue, and gorgeous landscaping. And lastly, there's the garden, a verdant and lush area ideal for strolling or just soaking in the grandeur of the natural world. The gardens, which are a feast for the senses and a monument to Cristiano Ronaldo's exceptional taste and design, are filled with a variety of flowers, plants, and trees. Our tour of Cristiano Ronaldo's magnificent multi-million-dollar Manchester property has come to an end. From the spectacular outdoor areas to the gorgeous interiors, this home is the epitome of sophistication and opulence. We've seen on this tour that Ronaldo hasn't cut any corners in designing a stunning and useful home that also captures his distinct sense of style and personality. And it's obvious that entertainment and leisure were top priorities when designing this home, with features like a game room, movie theater, and home gym. Following Cristiano Ronaldo's move to Saudi Arabia back in December 2022, he has now put this opulent home up for sale. Ronaldo is said to be paid an estimated $200 million annually by Al Nassr, according to Saudi state-run media, making him the highest-paid soccer player in the world. Right now, Ronaldo resides in the Four Seasons Hotel in Riyadh's Kingdom Suite. As reported by Tatler, the hotel, located in the 267-meter-high Kingdom Center, has 17 suites available for Ronaldo and his entourage. The total monthly cost of these rooms for Ronaldo is allegedly close to $316,000. Who knows what other magnificent properties he will have in the future? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more information in celebrity lifestyles and opulent house tours. See you in the next video.